Would you take a look at this?
The eufyCam S3 Pro is a premium wireless security camera designed to provide comprehensive home surveillance with cutting-edge features. Known for its ultra-clear 4K video resolution, long battery life with built-in solar panel, and robust smart home integrations, the S3 Pro delivers reliability and convenience for modern homeowners. A big thank you to eufy for sponsoring today's showcase. If you're interested in the product, you can find the link in the video description. Enjoy an exclusive 15% off for our viewers. The latest launch from eufy brings some major innovations and upgrades compared to the traditional eufyCam S3. You'll find that the S3 Pro and S3 security cameras offer different features for enhanced surveillance. The S3 Pro includes MaxColor Vision for color night vision, a wider focal length of 1.0, adaptive spotlight, Solar Plus 2.0, radar and PIR motion detection, and can be powered by battery or wired for 24/7 recording. In comparison, the S3 has a spotlight for color night vision, a focal length of 1.4, normal spotlight, Solar Plus 1.0, PIR motion detection, and is battery powered only. Now let's dive into its pros. First up is Pro Vision. The eufyCam S3 Pro captures video in 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring even the tiniest details are crystal clear day or night. With eufy's innovative MaxColor Vision, the camera delivers vivid full color footage even in low light conditions, no spotlight required. Here you can see a sample of the multiple night vision settings. Standard mode balances image quality and is ideal for high traffic and well-lit areas. Daylight mode enhances brightness and color for low-light areas like streets. Ultra daylight mode, coming soon, mimics daylight in ultra-low light environments, though moving objects may blur, so it is ideal for low-trafficked areas. Lastly, spotlights for night vision and infrared lights provide clear images by using either spotlights or infrared for black and white recordings during nighttime events or live streaming. Speaking of spotlights, the S3 Pro also features an adaptive spotlight that automatically adjusts brightness for the best video quality based on where you tap on the frame during the live view. Next, we have Pro Power. The S3 Pro comes with upgraded Solar Plus 2.0 technology, featuring a solar panel that's 50% larger than the standard eufyCam. Just 1 hour of sunlight is enough to keep it powered all day. It also boasts a high-capacity battery designed to last up to 1 year on a single charge, minimizing the need for constant recharging. The solar panel is built to perform even in partial shade, and for added flexibility, it includes an external solar panel for optimal placement and energy efficiency. Need even more power? Plug in an external wired source and unlock 24/7 recording. Moving right along to Pro Detection. Powered by advanced AI technology, the eufyCam S3 Pro can easily distinguish between humans, pets, and vehicles. Its dual motion detection and passive infrared sensors work together to minimize false alarms, ensuring you're only alerted to important activity. You can customize detection zones to prioritize key areas like doorways or driveways. Plus, for efficient daily monitoring, set up the 24/7 Smart Snapshot feature to quickly review the day's events without draining the battery. Next, Pro System. Unlike many cameras that depend on cloud storage subscriptions, the eufyCam S3 Pro offers 16 gigabytes of local storage, expandable up to 16 terabytes, yes, you heard me right, allowing users to store their footage securely without any monthly fees. As we say, eufy is fee-free. It also features Bionic Mind AI, which intelligently identifies faces, vehicles, and pets, distinguishing between friends and strangers. You can set up alerts for familiar faces to know exactly who is at your doorstep. Additionally, the system supports cross-camera tracking, letting you view multiple angles of the same event seamlessly. And last, but definitely not least, Pro Audio. With the integrated microphone and speaker, the S3 Pro enables real-time two-way communication. Using a dual mic array and AI-driven noise reduction, you will be able to communicate clearly. Full duplex two-way talk also means you can speak and listen without interruption.
The audio quality is clear, allowing seamless conversation remotely through the app.
Can't forget to mention the built-in siren as well. In short, the eufyCam S3 Pro offers top-notch protection with its high-resolution 4K video and MaxColor Vision for clear, vivid footage in any light. Its Solar Plus 2.0 technology ensures long-lasting power with options for external or wired sources. Advanced AI reduces false alarms and provides smart alerts, while the 16GB expandable local storage means no monthly fees. The camera also features real-time two-way audio and cross-camera tracking for complete coverage. With these features, the eufyCam S3 Pro is setting the standard for what to expect in security and convenience.